types of grief. So I'm listing several, but there's actually a broader list than this, than these 5 types that I've listed here. When we have normal grief, that's basically, we're thinking of, okay, a loss happens, a death in the family perhaps. It's normal to be sad, to grieve, but then people come to an acceptance of it, and you're able to still move on with your life. You have complicated grief, which is where it lasts longer than at least, say, a year. Hawthorn, your overall herb for heart health, heart protective. And so even though I have here, so taste, sour, sweet, and primarily oftentimes we're looking at the hawthorn berries, but the flowers and the leaves are also used. Sour and sweet taste, particularly the berries when it comes to the sour. And with the temperature, I have heating here, but I had also came across a source that considered it to be slightly cooling. But regardless, hawthorn is considered to be more neutral and actually suitable for most people. So many more herbs that can be used to address grief and loss and in all the ways that it manifests in the body. So if you just kind of take a look at some of these, I mean, because again, it all depends on what you want to address, and it all depends on the individual. You've got your cinnamon, ginger when it comes to gut issues, or being your catalyst, your carrier for the other formulas, you know, using some of the other herbs for making things taste better with the cinnamon, for example. Some of these other herbs I mentioned are other ones traditionally used in Ayurveda, like Bhringaraj. It's used in all kinds of ways, but often for things, again, with the mind, with the hair as well, but with the head.